cozy Christmas hacks and gift ideas for kids. So, hey little friends! Welcome to our special Christmas video. Let's explore together. What is Christmas? Christmas is a celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ. It is a special day celebrated on December 25th. Every year, it's a time when families come together to share love, joy, and kindness. Meet Santa Claus. Welcome now, let's talk about Santa Claus. Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, is a legendary figure who brings gifts to children on Christmas Eve. He is said to live at the North Pole with his wife, Mrs. Claus, and a team of elves who help him make toys. On Christmas Eve, Santa travels around the world in a sleigh pulled by reindeer, delivering presents to children who have been good. Children often leave out cookies and milk for Santa on Christmas Eve, and they write letters to him asking for presents. Christmas traditions. The magic of Christmas isn't just about the twinkling lights and festive decorations, it's about the cherished traditions that bring families and communities together. One of the most beloved traditions is decorating the Christmas tree. Families gather around to string colorful lights, hang cherished ornaments, and top it all off with a dazzling star. Another cherished tradition is the exchange of gifts. Watching the excitement in children's eyes as they tear open presents is a heartwarming experience that embodies the spirit of giving. Of course, no Christmas celebration is complete without a feast. Families gather around tables laden with delicious food, sharing stories and laughter. Traditional dishes like roast turkey, gingerbread cookies, and eggnog tantalize the taste buds and create a warm, festive atmosphere. What's easy Christmas gift ideas? Hey kids, ready to spread Christmas cheer? Number 1, DIY wrapping paper magic. Grab plain paper, stamps, stickers, and your favorite colors. It's time to be an artistic wizard. Add your special touch to each gift with drawings and designs. Your personalized wrapping paper will make every present extra special. Number 2, cookie mix jars adventure. Picture this, a jar full of cookie magic. Fill it with pre-measured ingredients for yummy cookies. Don't forget to attach a recipe card. Now you've created a delightful gift for your loved ones. Spread the joy of baking. Number 3, handmade Christmas card bonanza. Ready to be a Christmas card designer? Create personalized cards for your family and friends. Add your special messages and drawings. Your handmade cards will bring smiles and warmth to everyone around. Bottles to yours and let the festive crafting begin. Number 4, festive snow globe creation. Collect small jars with tight lids, fill them with water, a dash of glitter, and small festive decorations like tiny trees or snowmen. Seal the lid tightly, and there you have it, a magical snow globe. Number 5, a holiday plant pot painting. Visit a garden center and pick out small, easy-to-care-for plants. Get creative by painting the pots with vibrant holiday colors and cheerful designs. Your beautifully painted plant pots make charming Christmas gifts for your family members and friends. For easy Christmas hacks. Hey awesome kids, ready for some Christmas magic? Let's make it happen with these cool hacks. Magical Christmas card holder. Take a picture frame, paint it in festive colors like green or red, and remove the glass. Now grab those colorful clothespins and use them to attach all the fantastic Christmas cards you receive. Your cards will turn into shining stars on display. Adventure with memory ornaments. Grab some clear ornaments, the kind you can open up. Think of them as magical globes waiting for your touch. Collect tiny treasures that remind you of special moments, a snippet of a favorite book, a mini ticket from a great adventure, or a snippet of a cherished drawing. Carefully place these treasures inside the ornaments. Sealing the magic within, attach a ribbon on top, and voila! You've just created memory orbs that will make your tree sparkle with joy. Exciting DIY gift wrap station. Create a special spot with wrapping paper, bows, and tags. Wrapping gifts will be a joyful adventure and you'll stay super organized. Cupcake liner ornament fiesta. Lay out a bunch of colorful cupcake liners. The more, the merrier. Flatten a liner, fold it in half, and then fold it again. This creates a beautiful petal shape. Keep folding until you have a shape that resembles a fan. Secure the base with a little tape or glue, and you've got yourself a stunning flower-like ornament. Feel free to mix and match colors and sizes to create a whole garden of festive decorations. Your tree is about to bloom with creativity. Before we go, here's a special message. Christmas is not just about gifts. It's about love, kindness, and sharing joy. Be good, help others, and enjoy the magic of Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.